Hello, Eagles, and welcome to Northeastern High School's Google Meet and Greet how-to video. Everything in this video is designed to help you understand how to access and attend our Google Meet and Greet on Wednesday, August the 12th from 5 until 7. Tomorrow afternoon, the Google slideshow called the Remote Meet and Greet will be shared to student and parent email accounts. Here's how you begin. Tomorrow night at 5, 5:05, or 5:10, you can access the welcome. Here's how you do it. In the Google Meet and Greet remote slideshow, find Ms. Cobb on slide 3. And click on her Google Meet ID in the top green bar or use the number to call in the pin listed. The welcome sessions with the admin team will run 3 times for 5 minutes each. You only need to go to 1. So here's what you would do. You find Ms. Cobb on the 3rd slide, and up here in the green bar you will see the Google Meet ID. You can either click on the Google Meet ID and it'll take you straight to the Google Meet, or you can call this number and use this pin to join the meet by audio. After you do the welcome, you're going to need to make sure that you have your schedule with you. Here's a sample schedule in PowerSchool so that you can make sure you understand how it works. This student has homeroom, Miss Thomas. First block, Miss Johnson for Biology Honors. Second block, Miss Sundberg for Sports Medicine 1. Third block for Spanish 1, and it says vacant now, but we do have a new Spanish teacher named Mrs. Reed who joined us today. And then fourth block, Journalism 1 with Miss Iacano. So what do you do next? Here are the times that you would visit each block. Pretend like the slide is really a classroom. So here you'll see 5:15 to 5:30 right here. That's when you would visit Miss Johnson. You would visit Miss Johnson's class by going to her slide in the Google slideshow, clicking on her Google Meet ID at the top, or calling the number on the screen with the pin. From that time frame, 5:15 to 5:30, you would be able to go in Miss Johnson's Google Meet classroom and visit with her and meet your classmates. After that was over with, at 5:30, you would go to your second block teacher for 15 minutes. So that would be Miss Sundberg. You would go to that Google slideshow. You would find Miss Sundberg in the Google slideshow. You would click on her Google Meet ID to go in her Google Meet, or you would go into her Google Meet using the phone number with the pin, and you would be there from 5:30 to 5:45. Then at 5:45 to 6, you would go to Spanish 1, and at 6 to 6:15, you would go to your fourth block class, Journalism 1, if this was your schedule. At 6:15 to 6:45, we're going to be having a virtual tour of the building for freshmen and new students. Well, this will give you a chance to take a sneak peek around the halls of NHS with the admin team and a special guest. To take this virtual tour, here's the Google Meet ID or the phone number with the pin. And then to wrap up, from 6:45 to 7 o'clock, you will have a question and answer session with the admin team. If you have a burning question, that'll give you the opportunity to ask the admin team that question. Here's the Google Meet ID link. You would click on that to take you straight to the Google Meet, or you could do the phone number and pin that is listed here. So basically, just to give you an overview and a recap, in order to attend the Northeastern High School Google Meet and Greet from 5 to 7 on Wednesday, August the 12th, you need to make sure you have 2 things. You need to make sure you have the Google Meet and Greet remote slideshow that will be shared afternoon tomorrow, and you need to make sure that you have a copy of your schedule from PowerSchool so that you will know which teacher you need to find during each block. Your first block from 5:15 to 5:30, your second block from 5:30 to 5:45, your third block from 5:45 to 6, and your fourth block from 6 to 6:15. We are also going to share this slideshow with you via email so that you can refer to it in addition to the video and have direct access to the links. Thanks a lot for listening. We sure do hope this helps. We're all in this together. This was Miss Cobb's first attempt ever at doing a screencast-o-matic. So if I can do it, you can do it too. Have a great night.